Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you guys had a great day. A little bit different from yesterday, where we had some increased volatility. It was back to, I guess, what you would consider the normal action given the time of year. So you got an S&P chart up, and it was another narrow range day. We'll see, however, what happens tomorrow, and if we can continue to follow through down to that 20 or 222 to 223 area. But it's also worth noting that we were able to hold the 21 EMA here after having broke below it throughout or during today's trading. So to have reclaimed that is, at least in the short term, confirming this is acting as a support level. We will, of course, see if it can continue to hold it, and if so, does it result in any significant or meaningful demand? It is also worth noting that both the Qs and the Russell, which we'll look at here in a moment, held support. So, it came down to this support area. Also, the 21 EMA held, and so far, that may be what's helping hold the S&P up as well. So these are definitely some of the dynamics that we want to look at each and every single day. As I said, though, we've got the Qs holding support, but still just within a range, no real directional bias or edge to speak of here in these final few days of 2016. And as promised, we also look at the Russell here. Again, you can see this too, holding that 21 EMA and also holding this daily range that has been established, as it still is holding the uptrend. So, all in all, it is bullish action here in the Russell, but it's just been going through a little bit of a rest, which is completely normal after having had such a strong run from the beginning of November till now. So all of this action, while it is slower and requires more patience and discipline, is constructive to the longer term direction here on the chart. So we'll see how this all plays out as we now begin to really look forward into 2017. Amazon. We spoke about this in today's morning call. You've got this pennant formation going on. It came down to the support area where it bounced. So you can see this is definitely having a psychological impact, and we'll see which way it resolves. But we're definitely at this point closer to a resolution, as you can see us inching closer and closer towards this inflection point where, push comes to shove, and something's going to have to happen to get us out of this contraction and volatility. So we're definitely going to want to pay attention to that. Also worth noting, the movement in the financials. We had additional weakness today following through to what we saw yesterday, but it really didn't translate like it did yesterday to additional weakness in the S&P. So that'll be something to watch moving forward. Again, the theme of the 21 EMA once again making itself known with the financials. As you can see, XLF holding that level in addition to the others that we've mentioned. And then you've also got gold, which got some follow through here to yesterday's green candle, but as offered in the morning call, I do still believe this is vulnerable to weakness. The move up today did nothing more than push it into resistance in that 21 EMA. So we'll see if it doesn't start to slow down in that upward momentum, if it doesn't start to roll over here in the coming days and then make a move back towards this support level that I've got drawn here just above 100. So there's definitely things to do more often in the morning. You're going to find your opportunities. I think that'll be the same case tomorrow, where you have some opportunity based on opening gaps, but after that, things are going to slow down, especially being that it's Friday, long weekend, volumes are low. So, just stay patient, stay disciplined, and don't press. As the Red Dog has said here over the last couple sessions and recaps and morning calls, don't try and make your year in one day. So, again, I'll leave you with the encouraging thoughts of staying patient and disciplined. That's what's going to help you to last. That's what's going to keep you in the game and able to trade another day. So have a great evening. If I don't talk to you before the new year, Happy New Year. Make 2017 great, and I'll talk to you soon.